Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, it's Friday again. Let's start. Let's start with Bitcoin on CME. People, I'll say it from the beginning. Don't chase. It's not time to chase on Solana and other coins, but enjoy. Just enjoy the pumps. Okay. So, CME chart. Pretty simple. We are pushing back up here. We have this SFU 117 and a bit higher. You can see the inverse head and shoulder. You can see the W here. Now we are trying to push back up to retest this big candle. Simple as that. Everyone was waiting for lower, we'll go back down, the top is in. Now everyone is happy. I still see some Twitter people shorting everything. That means usually that will push higher. Okay, now that CME chart, nothing bad. You can see we are accepting above 50%. That's nice. Here you can see even better what we have. You can see the big W here at 112. We can retest this level, yes. We can retest this big candle, yes. We can even go and test the highs, yes. We'll go higher than that. Well, it's too soon for me to tell you that. We have to stop at 120, short reload zone, and we'll discuss that. But because of buy the rumor, sell the news, everyone is anticipating a rate cut. And we are in the buy the rumor, in my view. We are trying to price in that event. Is priced in already? I don't think so. But it's getting there. Okay, similar template. Just area to pay attention. It's okay to hedge your bags again here? Well, maybe. Let's see what will happen here. If we'll see an EM, probably yes. Ethereum on daily. Strong. I like it. Hold it the low. It's still in the range, but we are trying to make some W's and push higher. If we'll accept above 4.8 or 5K, then you know that we are in the price discovery. What we do in the price discovery? We enjoy the pump. We don't short price discovery until we have clear setups. I'm saying this now, so maybe you'll have time to prepare not to think short above 5K. And just let it run. But if we think the range here, we are just above the middle of the range. Don't chase the pump here. Yeah, it's chaseable with Holy Grail, but that's it, nothing more. Holy Grail on 50-minute chart is working. But I don't think it's a good idea to do anything else. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, we stopped the bear here for the moment. No W on daily. We had a W on 4-hour chart yesterday. And now we have a bigger one. That's nice. Nice one. I like it. Pumping from the support area. How high? We don't know. We want 38.2 at least, but you have to think about this area. But let's enjoy the fact that we have some W's and it's pushing higher. I'm expecting Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin until the end. Well, look at who's here, people, in the chat. Welcome, that guy. Look in the chat, people. No? What do you think? Sorry. Not anymore. If you saw him, not anymore. Okay. Where I left? Okay, here. W's on 4-hour chart. We need W's on daily. But I'll say it. Usually this chart doesn't like to give us W's on daily. Too many W's anyway. You can see. Up, ugly W. Up, ugly W. If you can call this one a W. Up, maybe we'll do something. But I expect to do something like this. Not to stay there, consolidate and give me this kind of W's. That phase is over, people. The phase of consolidation like this is done. Yeah. Remember when we discussed this pattern and we said day after day after day, look at this pattern. Look how nice it is. It's in blue area. Let's buy some. I think it's a good idea. Then AB equals CD. And look at the chart now. Now, influencer after this level will, I don't know, above 4005, influencer will start saying, well, Ethereum is outperforming and is the best. And actually it's middle or close to the end of the move. Yeah, he's polite to say hello, yeah. Well, dominance. I posted this one on VIP, I think, or premium. Huh? I'm asking, to the moon? What do you have here? Looks like an M? I think yes. We'll anticipate this one? Well, we are already long. Nothing to anticipate here. But if we'll confirm this M, then altcoins have a chance to pump a bit higher. And then we can think about, if we'll accept below this level, we can think about 50%. That will be something really nice. If you'll see market pushing to 50%, that will be nice. You'll see some altcoins doing 10x and more. Yes, a new day, a new high, people. Getting close to my my area here. Is strong, don't chase. Don't short, don't chase, don't do anything if you are a swing trader. You are not allowed to chase because, well, top of the channel, not enough reasons to short because you can see market is going sideways and up, sideways and up. Here gold is strong, but you can see is respecting the deviation here. Could consolidate and do another AB equals CD? Yeah, it's possible, but I don't know. Silver outperforming, like I suggested. You'll see probably in a couple of months, I don't know if more or less, you'll see probably silver exploding all of a sudden. Is chaseable here? No. It's too late. In my view. What's the risk to reward here? Total market cap. Well, show me a new high and I'll show you a buy. Yeah? That's from traditional market. Show me a new high and I'll show you a buy. Well, show me a new high. I don't see it yet. Total tree, well, it's pushing the highs here. People, altcoins, when they'll explode, you will not have time to chase them. And will not be okay to chase them. Prepare yourself because on weekly, altcoins are still there, are still buyable. Will not stay there forever. I know that we'll have people coming here asking us where to buy close to the top. But I prefer not to have too many people in Crypto Traders Arena. I want to see people asking me where to sell, not where to buy. When this one will hit 2 trillion, 3 trillion. I don't want to hear you, well, I want to buy. No, well, I should sell a little bit. I have a big bag. Anyway, if we'll accept similar, show me a new high and I'll show you a buy. If we'll accept above this one, you know what is probably next. Shitcoins. Some of them are not pumping. Some of them are moving, are starting to move. I'll say it again. SSV is below $10. Yeah, this looks like something. Do whatever you want. I'm not a financial advisor, people. Do whatever you want, but SSB below $10. What else is nice here? ENA. Everyone is focusing on ENA. I'm not saying it's a bad play, but it's too late, people, to chase it here as an investor. If you bought a bag, if not, focus on something else. This was the area. Yeah, we can still make some money. You can still play some setups, but to invest, this one is a big range, actually, indeed. I could see this one at $3, but in the top of the top. I'm not saying it's not okay to get some, but for me is too late because I bought the bottom here. E-gold is forming something. It's up to you. Some trades are deep in profit and they are pumping. TIA hopefully will do something nice. But 1 million unlocks every day is not something nice or something you want to see. Shitcoins are still there, people. 2%, 5%, 10%, even 20% is not a real pump for altcoins. If you don't believe me, ask people that they have been at least through another bull cycle, so another pump, real pump on altcoins. Yeah? Or look back, just look on the chart because it's there. 10% for altcoins in the right environment is nothing. The problem is it happens once or twice every 4 years. Once is really strong and is really fast, and 1 or 3 months is done. Hard to get that. If you manage to buy the bottom and wait, yes. If you want to, well, I'll wait until the last moment and I'll get the pump. Okay. I am not so good, so I decided to play the patience game. I made a plan. I bought close to the bottom. I sold half on a double. I reloaded when I had the chance, trying to get as many coins as possible with the same money. I'm in a nice position now, and I'm just waiting. For me now, it's impossible to lose money. I recovered my investment already, and I'm just waiting with the free bags. Yeah, if you have a journal, Stefan. If you have a journal, yes. If you have a journal, yes. If you don't have a journal, ask someone that has a journal. I could go on the shitcoins here, but you can see nothing special. Nothing special. Let's go on lower time frame. By the way, people, where is the calendar? We have Michigan consumer sentiment and the New York session. Well, something to pay attention. We can produce a we can produce a little bit of volatility there. Maybe a bit less, maybe a bit more. But you should pay attention. The star for today is Solana. Pumping. When it was at $200, I said that is a support and resistance. Well, we accepted. Yesterday we discussed and we said, well, I think Solana accepted above 200 and is probably pumping. Don't chase it with classic setups because it's almost impossible. Play with Holy Grail. Hopefully you did something. Or hopefully you have a lot of spot bags like me, Stefan, and other gladiators. We are just enjoying. I'm not saying to chase. We are in a short reload zone. We are in a buy the rumor, close to sell the news event. Yeah? ETF and things like that. We'll push to $300. It's possible. We'll push higher. I don't know. But it's too late. You don't have the risk reward to buy on spot or to invest or to position trade yourself here. Yeah. You had the chance here to do it with me at $100. Okay. That's Solana. That's the star. Nothing I could do here. If you have the positions here, okay. If you want to chase it, Holy Grail on 5-minute chart if you have access. How you can access Holy Grail? Being a premium or a VIP member. Okay, let's start with Bitcoin. The next one. Well, people, yesterday in the live stream I said something about random levels. Do you see the randomness here? Monday range, clone and post above. You see something? Market is strong, confirmed a nice double, and look what we have here. This part. This is really important. Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, or equal high, and keep pushing higher. Yeah? We are getting closer, closer and closer to the short reload zone. We have an SFU here. Pay attention. That will be nice to play. But as a trade, as a scalp, as a day trade, nothing more. Then short reload zone is the area where we want to pay attention. We want to see these levels here, these highs. If you want to hedge your portfolio, this is the area where you should think about it. I'm not saying to do it. I'll do it if I'll see clear signs, if I'll see clear EMs, if I'll see rejection here in the short reload zone closer to 78.6, I'll hedge my portfolio again. Okay, what we can trade today on 4-hour chart? Well, here is dangerous to play. If you take this swing high and this swing low, you are already in a short reload zone. But you have enough reasons to think short. Well, if we'll confirm this EM, then maybe yes. But this EM is in an uptrend. So you have enough risk reward to stop here? No, you don't. So it's not better to wait for a dip and buy the next W? I think it's better. You can see the levels here. What you see with blue here, there are levels. Pay attention to this SFU confluence with 61.8. At this point in time, if you confirm this EM, I don't know. I don't suggest to take it, but you can go on lower time frame like Stefan, like me when I'm scalping and try to frame a idea there. But nothing there, nothing clear, no clear EM for the moment. Ethereum, stronger. That's the name for Ethereum today, stronger than Bitcoin. You remember yesterday we said that we can play an SFU if it will be the case, but if we'll close above this level to the moon, well, look at it. We closed 1 hour. We closed 4-hour chart above that level. Nice close. Normal rejection here, okay. But it's pushing higher, people. Where is the short reload zone? Well, somewhere in here, 4.8. Where is the highest level? Because we confirmed this big W. Well, here, 4.9. Maybe we should think about that level as a target. You can draw a fib and find out where 78.6 is. Let's do it. There you go, here. Some confluence here? Yeah. I'm showing you the short reload zone to understand that it's not okay to chase here. I'm not saying, well, we'll hit the short reload zone and you should short everything. No. Short only with clear setups, and I prefer to short Bitcoin, not Ethereum. But because Ethereum is still in this big range, yeah, you can think about it if you'll see a clear setup. Here in the middle, after we accepted above $4,500, I don't suggest you to chase too short. Let's go back on 1 hour and lower. I don't see any EM on 1 hour. Nothing. Market is strong. No divergence yet. 15-minute chart. No EM. Actually, we pushed higher. We tried to make an EM and we pushed higher again. Higher highs and higher lows. After this dark maul candle, we just dropped, made some W's, This was the Dalai Lama pattern everywhere. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a lot of shitcoins, and pumping. Even on 5-minute chart. On 5-minute chart, you had an EM there. You are sharp enough to take that one? Sometimes I take something like that. Sometimes Stefan is taking that EM. But seeing the strength of the market, I don't know. I didn't took this one. Back on 1 hour. Because we accepted above this level, I think we are strong and we will push higher. ENA, nothing special. I need to adapt my adapt a little bit. There you go. Wait here. Long reload zone if is the case. Let's go on 4-hour chart for the rest of the shitcoins. People, we just made a 10-hour on ENA. Let it breathe a little bit. Let it rest a little bit. Consolidate. Don't chase it here. Yeah, I saw, I think, Tolga posting a setup here. Okay, it's okay for a setup, but for me it's a bit late. It's just SFUing the highs. I made a 10-hour on, not 10-hour, but you get the idea. Yeah, I don't want to chase there. Alt. We can still hope for a retest of this W. We can still hope. Hype is curing cancer. We just made some money on it. If you still have a moon bag, keep it. It's still curing cancer and will push higher. Link. Ugly. Ugly. I don't want to touch it. Nothing here. Nice W's here, but probably on daily chart, on 4-hour chart. Yeah. Byte. Well, I'm not chasing here, and I don't think we'll come back down. That's the problem. Solana pushing higher, but enjoy the show, enjoy the pump. Don't chase here. If you want to play with Holy Grail, but even Holy Grail is dangerous to play here. Somi, nothing. SSV, like I said, you can see the consolidation is still below $10. I'm not a financial advisor, people. Tao, weaker than the rest. Just hanging in there, making some W's. Nice structure here at the lows. Bad location. But look at the W, breakout, retest. Something. I'll trade Tao. Looking like seeing what I see. No. I'll enjoy Tao because I bought at the bottom. I'll enjoy Tao. I'll just let it run. But I'm not trading. And I don't know if I'll add on this one anymore. I have a bag. If we'll pump. If not, Tia. Tia should recover a little bit. I was hoping for a retest here. You can see it's making an AB equals CD, people. Okay? That's an AB equals CD. It's trying at least to make one. There you go. There you go. Dangerous to play because of unlocks, but the pattern is there. The pattern is there, people. Let's frame it live. CD. There you go. Two options. One is long at 25, stop loss there. Kind of a bot setup from Brian Bimesh. Yeah. Or even better, retest of this W. Breakout and retest. Playable. That's a 6-1. You put your limit order here and hope for the best. Okay? I framed these ones now in the live stream. I'm not a financial advisor. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll try to take this W, not this one. Okay? This is for a bot setup, kind of a Brian Bimesh approach. I prefer this one. That one has had a 3-to-1 risk to reward. This one has a 6-to-1. I'll try to sneak in here, put my stop loss a bit below these lows, and try to live with the results. If Bitcoin will hold, this one should pump. If Bitcoin will go belly up, my trade will fail really fast. And I'll take the stop loss. I'll say thank you for the opportunity. And next boss. Okay? I'll even take it and post it in the chat. Let me find the Discord. Public video. Public frame. That's it. Okay. Ton, we just retested. Who had a limit order there? $3. It's happy camper. It's something I'll chase here? No. Nothing to trade. Just to invest there. Down, well, this shit will have to consolidate a little bit more, people. We made nice money, okay. Was a nice play. Indeed. But let it consolidate now. Let it consolidate. Let it form the bottom. Will be here in the long reload zone or lower. That's not up to us. Yes, strong. Nothing we can do. This one. People, this one is looking nice. Still at the same level. Is dangerous to play? Yes. If people like Justin Sun will get access to their coins and will decide to sell, well, this one could go from 20 cents to 2 cents in a couple of hours, maybe a couple of days. I'll play a little bit on spot. Thinking power of 3, thinking LJ there. Yes, you can see the setups. We spoke about too many times. It's there. Take it, leave it. It's up to you. I saw someone asking about this one. By the way, people, 2,000 people in this live stream, in the community, okay? 2,000 people, almost. And only 12 reposts on this live stream. I see 60 people here. Yeah, you can do a better job than that. Okay, we discussed this one. Calendar, we said about Michigan consumer sentiment. Shitcoins on desk screener. They are still buyable. They didn't pump yet. I saw Bochan posting something on Hand of Midas. You can go and watch what he's watching and what his levels are. Yeah, can go there. Bochan will tell you what he's buying and on what level. He will not make a show out of it. Well, I'm buying this because of that. No, he'll say, I'm watching this level. He's a gladiator. He knows what he's doing. He's one of the guys that have experience. They made money in the last cycle and they are just enjoying life now. He doesn't stay all day long here. He prefers to, I don't know, do something else, but he's paying attention. I think he's showing you a really nice level. Hand of Midas was one of the best approaches. You follow him or not? It's up to you. Hand of Midas is for premium and VIP members, not for general public. Anon is still at retest of the double if you are interested in this shit, and Daniele, or how the fuck it's called, and so on. Nice double breakout retest is there. It's just waiting for someone to say, well, I like this one. I have a nice bag. I bought the breakout. Up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not saying to buy this coin. No. I did. And there are multiple ones that you can buy. When you see, I don't know, 400%, 1000% pumps, then you know that the market is not buyable anymore. Someone asked me again about this one. I just bought a coffee with coffee money here. Okay? This one could stay here forever? Yes. But No, I'm not betting. I'm thinking about this guy has that this guy has 600,000 followers. If we'll ever mention this shit again, this one will pump. It's for people to put a big position size. Well, it's impossible. You have a 13k market cap. You can buy with, I don't know, 1 Solana, 2 Solana max without moving the price too much. This one, I'll repeat. I said about it, this one last time. Could stay here forever. Nobody to talk about and will stay and die silently. So be extra careful. Okay. That's about it, people. Let's take some requests if it's something else. Aptos. Well, Aptos. Aptos on... No. Aptos on Binance. Yeah, why not? It's in the buying area. It's in the investing area. I don't know about community. I don't know about anything else. But I know TA and I know that this is a good area to buy. I didn't draw this one now. But you can see it's sitting here from some months. No weekly W for the moment. Not yet. I see some daily W's there. Nice location, even if you are thinking this pump. Only this one. You can see it's forming a double. Will pump or not? I don't know if you want lower time frame, man, but I don't want to go too low, lower than daily on this one. There you go. So you have swing low, swing high, long reload zone, W. You had it last time. Swing low, swing high, W, pump. W, pump. Overall, if you zoom out, it's still in the blue area, it's still investable, it's still buyable. Be extra careful, could go to zero anytime. It's a shitcoin. Yeah. But if you want to allocate some money into this one, well, up to you. Still buyable, still at the lows. $4.5, the high was what? $20? Yeah. The high of the high was $100. I don't know if we'll ever reach that level again. I don't think so, but who knows? Well, still some money to be made. The hard part is people to buy here and wait until $9 to sell half on a double. After that, it's easy. Or should be easy. My idea about Doge is that it's too big and too slow and too in the middle of everything for me to even think about Doge. There are other things to do now than play Doge. Not the best risk to reward there. Yeah, could pump to 50 cents. Yeah, could pump higher. If you have a bag, hold it. I do. That's my opinion. I hold the bag I have on Doge. But it's too high for me to even think about buying. Popcat. Well, I didn't saw that shitcoin from a long time ago. Let's look at Popcat. We bought Popcat a long time ago. I don't see W's. I see it's consolidating. It's trying to do something. Let's see Popcat. Popcat. We have Popcat somewhere in here. Yeah, there you go. Let's see if we still have the TA on Popcat. Yeah, we have. We want to see when we bought Popcat. Well, there you go. Here we bought Popcat. We bought the original one. I was discussing with Kevin here. Kevin made the most money on this one. And look at it. And now it's back to the original place, people. Just look at it. It's getting back down there. I don't see clear W's, or you can see a W here, but you need a retest. 25 cents, maybe for a trade. Entry at 25 cents, stop loss at 23 cents. I could see that W setting up there. Is the best one? I don't know. Let's go back down here. It's a bit different here. I don't consider this one the best W because it's part of this downtrend. It's the initial reversal. Usually you get a retest, you get a consolidation, and then you get more. That's my opinion about Popcat. Let's take a look at Kava. Buyable, still below the dollar cost average level I had. A lot of potential. I don't know if it's dead or not. Hopefully not. OBV says it's not. Look at that OBV, looking nice. No W here for the moment, but is retesting the initial W. You can see weekly W, breakout and retest. Give me another W here and I'll be more than happy to participate. Or you can even buy this level, and what is that? 36 cents. You can buy 36 and sell 70 cents, 72. Getter is free and then you don't care. I'm not looking at all the shit coins from Pump Fund, man. I'll take a look at DOT because I didn't look at DOT from some time, and I'll close with that. Okay, if you want to participate with us and you want to put all the requests you want, you'll have to become part of the premium people, because they have access every day in the New York session for 2 hours. We live stream 2 hours every day, so there you can ask your questions if you are serious. If you just want my 2 cents about a coin, you can ask here. DOT, well, it's trying to make some W's at the lows. We swept the lows, which is nice. I'm not saying it's not nice. It's buyable here, yes. You should trade this one here. I don't know, could be lazy, could stay here for a lot of time. You can position trade or invest here. Buy a bag, buy $4 and sell half on a double at 8. I think that's the best. Or buy $4 and say, well, I'll sell this bag when we'll reach some level. It's definitely good level to buy. It's definitely gonna pump at some point in time. You can see the OBV, you can see the RSI, everything looks nice. But these things take time, people. And people will say about DOT, well, yeah, DOT, but DOT is not doing anything from February. It's just forming the bottom here. You need a lot of patience to play this one. It's not for moon boys. They'll say, well, DOT is undervalued and will pump. Will pump, but when? You can see here, no W and pump. No W and pump. Probably will consolidate and then all of a sudden you'll see a pump. What is below $5, I think it's buyable. I'll stay in frame setups on DOT on lower time frame. No. I have a DOT bag, yes. No, if you are in a Capua 1 or Capua 2, if you are in Capua 1, you have premium membership for 1 year. Okay, late registration for Capua 1 and Capua 2. We'll close the registration. We already started. We are in the week 2 on the both programs. By the way, Capua 1 people, see you at 4 p.m. UTC. Yeah, for the next live stream. Read the documents, do the exercises, put some effort there, please. Phil, let's take a look at Phil. Let's make this one the last one. Potential, yes, you can see. Let's see what is trying to make some weekly W's here. Let's go on daily. I like the location. Well, on daily you had the location. You had the W here. Chase it here? No. Wait for a retest at 2.4 and below. You can see the neckline of the W. Don't chase it here. or is not chaseable for me. It's over and will pump? I don't know. But if you zoom out, you'll understand that overall it's power of 3, and after we'll accept above $3, we'll push higher. Probably. Good level for an investor. For a trader, you need to wait or retest here. That being said, people, that being said, let's go back on Bitcoin. You have the levels. We'll post. We'll show you the way. We'll show you what we do, what setups we take. Don't chase the market. Don't chase something like Solana, please. Yeah, I could push higher, but you don't have the risk reward there. Let's call it a live stream, people. It's Friday. The next live stream on YouTube will be Monday with weekly crypto review. Okay? See you next time, people. Bye-bye.